Welcome back to another episode of Ethnicity Herbals at Home. My name is Patty. I'm coming live to you from my herbal kitchen at home in New York City with another great video about watermelon juice. Now, you should know that, especially now, you've noticed soaring temperatures of heat all across the country. And staying hydrated is one of the top things that you can do for your health and your body to make sure that all of your body systems are functioning at an optimal level. So let's hop into it. We're going to make some watermelon. Okay, so we have our beautiful watermelon, and you should know watermelon contains 92% water. So this makes it a great choice for your daily water intake. So we're going to start with our beautiful watermelon. Okay, and we're just going to cut it in half. And in half again, quarters rather. And then we want to get as much of the flesh out as possible, but I'm also going to go for some of the rind as well, because the rind is very detoxifying. And I'm just going to place that in my blender like so. Okay, so I'm going to get some of the rind, because some of the white part of the rind of watermelon is also very detoxifying as well. See that? This is good stuff that we need for our watermelon juice. So watermelon as well may help lower the risk of heart disease and stroke by normalizing your blood pressure, and also help lowering your cholesterol as well. So this is another great reason why you should adopt watermelon. And again, I like some of the white part in there. That's also very highly detoxifying as well. So we're just going to place that in our blender. Okay, again, the power of a great blender, you want to use the beautiful. Okay, so that beautiful red color, watermelon is high in something called Lycopene. And the Lycopene, again, helps lower cholesterol as well. You also find that in tomatoes as well. That beautiful red color. As well as citrulline, which is an amino acid that helps increase the nitric oxide levels in your body. And nitric oxide, it helps your blood vessels expand, and as a result of that, it helps lower your blood pressure. So here we have some beautiful, beautiful watermelon juice, and I'm just going to share some of that with my cameraman. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You all may have remembered my other video about the cucumber infused water and how cucumber is also very hydrating. So what better than using a little cucumber to supplement with our watermelon juice. So here I'm going to just slice a few pieces of my organic cucumber, my little mini cucumbers. Look at how beautiful that is. Just going to keep the rind on there and then just top in my watermelon juice like so. And why not just do two? How's that? This is a really hydrating beverage that you can make for yourself and your family and friends at home, especially now in this heat. And you just drink and enjoy. This is oh so good. Thanks so much for joining me on another episode of Ethnicity Herbals Lifestyle at Home. And please click like and subscribe to share this video with your family and friends. If you would like more great beverages like this or would like a herbal consultation, feel free to contact me. I am a herbalist. I help people make healthy lifestyle choices. So with that, have a wonderful day, be blessed, and stay healthy.